Let's please give him a warm round of applause.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Good morning. Thank you very much po for taking the time today to come here and visit po with our event today, which is the Smileys Roadshow. So, again, my name is Joseph with UNDP. So, we are very pleased to bring the Smileys Roadshow to Baguio City, which we see as an ideal venue for this event, given the many initiatives that are being undertaken already by both the private and public sectors. So we recognize the long-standing, also the partnership of UNDP with the city, working on various thematic areas such as circular economy, sustainable transport, urban infrastructure, and now bringing us here together with our partners from the Securities and Exchange Commission,